With those in favor of the draft resolution contained in document S/2011/142, please raise their hand.
The UN Security Council voted Thursday to authorize all necessary measures to protect civilians in Libya. Acting under Chapter 7 of the UN Charter, which allows for the use of force if needed, the Council adopted the resolution by 10 votes to 0, with 5 abstentions.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with you today to introduce to you the report of the Advisory Committee that was set up by UNSMIL about 3 months ago to make recommendations on how the political impasse can be addressed in such a way that the Libyan people have the opportunity to, through democratic processes, select their government and their leadership. It's important for me to emphasize that the Advisory Committee was facilitated by UNSMIL, but this is very much their report. The Advisory Committee essentially had 4 main options to address the political challenges the country is facing today and to prepare towards elections. Firstly, to hold presidential and parliamentary elections simultaneously. The second option was to hold parliamentary elections and then have a new parliament debate on a constitution, and once that process is concluded, to have presidential elections. Or thirdly, to start with the development of a constitution and have presidential and parliamentary elections afterwards. And if it was not possible to agree on any of these first 3 options, then to convene a Libyan political dialogue forum once again, in order to allow Libyans from across the country to sit together and to develop a new governance framework that would determine the future of this country and the way forward. We are now going to upload an executive summary of the advisory report. We would like to hear your feedback. And when you give us that feedback, it will help us as UNSMIL to work with key political actors, stakeholders, and the public at large to develop a new roadmap on the way forward, which we hope will bring a peace that is sustainable, create a government that is strong, that respects the Libyan people's human rights, and helps this country to achieve all that it is capable of. We very much look forward to getting your feedback, and I thank you very much for your attention.